So we're here at our construction site in East Palo Alto, wetland restoration area, horizontal levee constructed. Now this soil looks pretty clean and nice and clean, and it is. All construction projects have some type of standard that they usually provide the folks doing the construction, the contractors, to have the right soil matrix. But most of the soil that we use is recycled, is from other projects, is from other areas, and so there's oftentimes the salt and pepper, or the dust, or the tailings of our society. So our society's footprint is quite large. And so in this case, in this soil, if we just look around for a second, we see over here, we see a little bit of asphalt. So there's some recycled asphalt there. If I look over here, it looks like right here, I got a piece of glass. If I pull back a little bit more and I sit up, I can start to see a lot of stuff. So, okay, here's a little piece of plastic right here. There's some other plastic. So we have a lot of things in addition to soil here in this soil matrix. And so this is why, if we're worried about things like microplastics or pollutants or other things, it's important to sample the soil, sample your soil matrix post construction, so you know what you're dealing with. So if we find, if we end up finding a lot of, plastic signals, we know, hey, maybe it wasn't from the restoration or the plants or the activity that we're managing, rather it came in with the construction. So we can know what the proper the proper starting point is here in Palo Alto, or wherever we're doing our management action.